Welcome to Retech Mechatronic. Today what we have is Land Rover Discovery 3, and this is the same, the CEM. We are doing on a bench, we are not doing on a car, and we are doing ocular situation. They brought me this use key to program it for them. So what we will do today, I'm using IM608, which is hotel. My other device cannot do it, so I'm going by the IM608, and the setup has already been made over here. So we click on, and then we have to take all these fuses out, to open and get this in the PCB. So let me take you through to the Land Rover. Then we go to manual selection. Then we go to Discovery 3, and the year is 2004 to 2009. And then we click yes. Then we go to control unit. Then we go to either start key or then we go to the diagram from this session. Click here to zoom it. Then this is our diagram. So we are going to connect according to how the diagram has been provided. And this is our SP400. So we are going to use these sections. And this is the main cable that comes with such connection, unless you cut it into two. But I'm not going to do that. I have these pieces over here, so this one's the one that I'm going to use. They are very short, but I'll manage to use it because I don't want to cut this one yet, since I have this one over here. So we have to pause here and resume from when I'm done getting the PCB. This is how it is, and according to the diagram, this is where our connection points are. So this is where the connection points are, as you can see from this session. Let me do it the same way over here. So this is it as we compare. So we are going to connect here. I'm going to do it over here. So let me pause here for some minutes. So guys, we need to remove this diode over here. We need to remove this diode, so I'm using my heat gun to take it out. So I've taken it out. This is it. Need to place it somewhere safe. I think that is safe for me. And now what is left is that I'm going to solder the joint. We are going to solder the joint according to the diagram. As you can see, there is this thing that we have to connect a resistor. So this is my resistor. This is my resistance, 10 ohms resistance. Between the one, this is 104, and this is VPP2. So according to the diagram, 104 and VPP2, you need to use a resistor to bridge them. So I'm going to solder the joint. This is one of the joint. I'm supposed to use alcohol to clean the surface, but I don't have one over here. Mine is finished, so then the middle green. Then the blue. So this places has been done well, and the diode over this section, this one, we have to apply a pit lead over here. We connect the green. The green is here. That is it. This is the blue. And our edge, in which I have to then we connect our red, whether VPP1 or VPP2. So I have done this one as VPP2. Hey, sorry, this is VPP1. And this is VPP2. So VPP2 is connected. And now this is our resistor, our 10 ohms resistor, in which I have to connect it between this and this one. So I need to make a way from this section. Someone will ask, why didn't you solder the resistance on the distance, the PCB? No, I will not do it that way because it won't cost anything, but I don't want to do it that way. Get your hands off. So it's connected. What is left is that I have to connect it on this one for us to read it. So we scroll down to the point and see. Then we count from that session. 1, 2, 3. The green is here. And this one, the blue, is in the opposite of it. The ground is bottom. VP1, this is VP1, which is 12 volts is here. Hey, VP1, this is VP, they have indicated over there, so there is no need to struggle over there. And VP2, now we have connected it. Because of the harness are short, that is why it has, you know, restrained like that. So we leave it on it like this. Then we go onto the screen. We zoom out some more. Then we click escape to go back. Oh no, we need to go there again. We click OK. We start to read. We are going to read the MCU data. It is giving us blah 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 blah. Everything is connected, successful over there. Then we click on EEPROM. So it's communicating with the system. So we see if we have a good read. Now our SP400 is flashing, which means it's having the communication chip not connected. Coming. Let me go to this session. No, cancel. The MC. Hold on. What that this thing was saying is that if no, please here. You see, what the system was talking about is that when you have a communication fail or when it fails to read this thing, we need to connect power. So we connect our 12 volts to it. According to the session, if reading fails, try to connect the programmer to an external 12 volts power supply. So we have connected our 12 volt supply, and then we click on EEPROM again. Then we see from here if we will have communication, because that's the only session that we need you can use to read the data. So still we have the same problem. Then that means we need to check the system and get to know what is wrong. Then we continue from there. So what I have done is that I have taken off the resistance to see if it can read or not, because I don't know the reason why it's not reading. It's supposed to read. And let me see. Then we hit on OK. Then we click on EEPROM. Oh, so the reason it fails earlier on was that it was because of the resistor that I connected. So we click on OK. Then we save the data as discovery 1, discovery 3, same. Discovery 3. So we click on save. So we click OK, then we hit on the back, then we go to make start key, then we click on make start key, we click on OK, click on OK, then we click on SEM discovery, then we click on OK. Then what we do is that we are not going to erase any key, we will add key. So we add key 4, then we click add, check that the programmer is connected, and the new key to add PCF36 key sensor. Okay, so we are using this thing. This is what you are going to use. Hold this one for me. So I'm going to place the key over here. Now I've placed the key into the key, this thing. So we click on OK. If this key is locked, then maybe I have to go for 36. Failed to generate key due to key locked. Yes, the key is locked, so I need to go and get PCF36 to do this job. So we will pause over here, then we'll continue from there. That's the chip, the PCF36. I have gotten a new one, and this is it. I'm placing it over here, then I click on the make key. As previously, the chip was locked, and we click on SEM, then we click OK, then we click on key 4, then we add key, then we click OK. So it's communicating with the programmer. As you can see, it's blinking. So dealer key generated successful. So our dealer key has been generated successful, in which the key was okay, the chip was okay. So that is it. This one, I don't know if it gives a backfire or not, because then we click on back. Yes, it will generate a backfire. So yeah, then data has been saved successful. Let's see. That is we are going for this location, then we check this 1933806, then we will write it onto the distance. So we select the this is it. Oh, come on, this is it. So I click on it, then click OK. So it simply writing the backfire onto it, so that the key can the system can recognize the key that we have written onto the system. So it's writing. So we wait patiently for it to write. Right after that, I will read it again and check chip answer error. So we need to check again, to write again. There is no problem over here, so I don't see the reason as to why you're supposed to give us a chip answer error and that stuff. So, I'm writing it again. See, if it happens again, I'll connect a 12 volts updater onto the programmer and see if it will write it or not. Yeah, it has successfully been written. So we click on OK, click on back, we read to verify it. I'm reading the data and save it. Then I will check whether the distance has, rating successful as it said or not. So all we need is patience. You see, the video will be long, but it will worth watching. So we will save it as okay, 45. We are saving it as 45. So we click on save. Then we go back to make start key. Then we will select the data and check our key 4 has been rated successful. So the chip will be recognized as soon as it is placed in the car, or you start the car. It will start the car, let me put it that way. So that is it, and thank you for watching. Please kindly like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.